Empowering through lived experiences.
Disability doesn't define you. You define your disability by the way that you step.
That's tackling issues we face on the daily.
They tell me because I carry a cane that I can't see absolutely anything. They also tell me that people in wheelchairs cannot do nothing. That is absolute rubbish.
It's your opinions that matter.
And more people to understand that that is the way we look at life, then I honestly think that this world will be run by blind people, and I absolutely love it. Imagine the Prime Minister a blind person. Imagine me as a Prime Minister. Imagine me as a...
I think my journey to inspire tomorrow's future today.
So hello everyone, my name is Tara Aumalesulu, and today I'm here with Zaylen Edwards, aka Z21 Official.
Kia ora.
How are you doing today, Zaylen?
Oh, pretty good on this fine, splendid Saturday morning.
Nice. Okay, so tell me about yourself. What are some things you like to do?
My name is Zaylen, aka Z21 Official. I'm 16 years old, go to Rose Hill College in year 13, and I like turtles. KFC, yo, straight up, no joke.
Okay. If you don't mind telling us, what's your disability?
I do not know how to describe my disability, but my disability is that I can only see 6 out of 120 meters. Can't tell if that's bad or worse, but you know.
What are some of your hobbies? What are some of your hobbies? What are some of your interests?
What are some of my interests? Eating, sleeping, drinking, eating, making music and eating.
Okay. So in the middle of that, you said making music. Yeah. So what kind of music do you like to make?
From time to time, the genre might change, but I love a good blues. I'm into that genre right now.
Nice.
Before we was in the reggae genre, but now we gotta switch things up. What if I want to be played in the back of the club? Yeah. What if it comes to slow jam hour when they run out of songs? Yeah.
Nice. So, if you don't mind me asking, how has your disability shaped your strengths in life?
My disability does not mold the person I am to this day because one of my teacher aides gave me a lecture to do work one day, and they told a story about how they taught someone who's fully blind, and now they are a music producer. Well, anyways, I kind of took that and, made Z21 Official out of it, and I'm glad I did.
Nice.
But kind of not, because you know how much times everybody says my name on the street?
Z21.
Yes, boss!
Nice. That's such an inspiring story. Like how you said, disability doesn't define us, doesn't shape our identity.
Disability doesn't define you. You define your disability by the way that you step.
That's, wow, so inspiring. What changes do you think would make the biggest difference for tangata sa ilimailo, which is disabled young people?
I think as they grow up, they need a boost of self-confidence, and they need to know that your disability does not shape your future in any way. You have to shape your future in spite of whatever disability it may be.
Yeah, hear that, guys? Inspiring words from Z21.
No, I've got inspiring words. You ready? At the end of the day, it's the end of the day. When one door closes, it stays closed till you open it again.
I didn't know that. That's such an... Yeah.
That's crazy.
What stereotypes about disabled young people bother you the most?
They tell me because I carry a cane that I can't see absolutely anything.
Yeah.
They also tell me that people in wheelchairs cannot do nothing. That is absolute rubbish.
Yeah, it is.
They tell me that if you can't speak properly, you're dumb. That's not how that works. I'm sorry.
That's...
Look, I can see a bit, and I have a cane. I know a person in a wheelchair that works extremely hard and still gets stuff done. And my brother can't talk properly, but still he's making it in the world.
No. Wow, that's so true. Like, most of the time, people always just see the cane or see the mobility aid and they're just like, oh, that's one story, one explanation. It's like, and then they don't see that you're still human. Like, you're
literally.
You're just,
Like, I'm not an alien.
Yeah.
Like, so what? I have one eye open when I'm sleeping. Like, so what? Like, it's okay.
Yeah, it's,
I like turtles.
Okay, nice. What change do you want to see in the next 5 to 10 years for tangata sa Aumalesulu?
If we could get more help and more people to understand that is the way we look at life, then I honestly think that this world will be run by blind people, and I absolutely love it. Imagine the Prime Minister a blind person. Imagine me as a Prime Minister.
Nice.
Imagine me as a Prime Minister.
Z21.
Oh, that would be
Z21,
cool.
the Prime Minister of New Zealand. Man, that's so cool. If the people around us, society, truly listen to people like us, what do you think would change first from that?
In this day and age, in the big 2026, I'm sorry to admit it, government, but nothing.
Yeah. Yeah, that's...
I don't really see it happening with the way the world is going today. You know, I don't really see, because shout out to Blends and Blind No Vision, like they really help people like us, and
shout out.
That's just the way it is.
Yeah, shout out to Blends and Blind No Vision.
Can I have a guide dog?
Yo, are there any parts of your everyday life that are more challenging than people think, or
You know what? I can't wait to admit this. Cleaning walls, ceilings, floors, cooking.
Yeah.
And that's It's almost burnt my house down.
Oh my.
No one heard that.
I think they did now.
I hope so.
During a social interaction, so if you're meeting someone new, what do you think their impression is of you? I think that makes sense. What do you...
Well, I've got a funny story.
Yep.
Because I record videos everywhere and anywhere, I have countless stories from what people think of me. Half of them tell me I suck, half of them tell me I'm cool, half of them tell me I'm the man. And then you get random parents walking up to me bro, it really hit my heart when some random parent came up to me and said, oh my God, you shaped my son to life.
Whoa.
Bro, that's absolute, that hit me, because I didn't know that I was someone that everyone look up to. I didn't know I became that for people. That was pretty...
Whoa, that was...
Yeah, that just...
That got me, man, that got me in the feels right now. So what was your reaction to that?
Because I like to tell the truth, I cried.
Oh, yeah, that's understandable.
Yeah, cried into my cheeseburger Happy Meal. That was a cheeseburger sad meal right there.
Yeah, no, that would be so understandable to cry, because making videos is sharing a part of yourself. That
I didn't know that I was people's role model in life that quickly. I didn't know how much my music really affected people's ears. It doesn't actually make them bleed.
No, you do make good music. I've heard your music before.
Kia ora.
Nice as.
Kia ora.
Nice. in terms of like going to school and stuff, what do you find the most challenging?
Can I go for a rant right now?
Yeah.
Oh my gosh, what do I find the most challenging? Teachers,
Yeah.
if you're watching this, don't ever do these bloody hand movements.
Yeah, I know. Like,
You bloody doing hand movements to a blind person like I can actually see this, and then you go and point at the board like something's actually there for me to read. What are you doing?
Yeah,
Then you proceed to hand me a print book, and I'm like, this to the print book. What am I actually gonna do to the print book?
yeah, that's.
And then you tell me that all my work is online. But then you don't give the blind guy the Wi-Fi password. What are you doing? What are you doing?
Oh my god.
Kia ora, thanks for my TED Talk.
That's so relatable, honestly.
Teachers,
Yeah,
if you're watching, I'm blind.
Teachers. We need more
I
teachers.
can't see. So,
We need, like, I have a teacher who did that. Yeah.
and I bet you her name was Susan.
No. That's
I find that only Susans do that.
that's my grandmother's name.
Sorry.
If you're in a new area or something that you like have never been to before, how do you adapt to that? Like,
Well, because I've never been here, I just adapt to it as in, I'll be nervous, but like, yeah, I'll take on anyone now. Bring up my energy the most and just cruise through life.
yeah, that's
But don't let me catch you with 3 wicked wings on your hand. 'Cause I swear on
stop.
mine.
That's an inside joke. Like, wait,
I wasn't joking.
wait, what?
Catch me with 3 wicked wings on my hand.
Wait.
Beautiful day.
Nice. If you could give some advice to those who may be struggling with their disability right now, what would you give? Like, what advice would you give?
You want the unserious advice first?
Yeah, okay.
Stand up.
Yeah.
Get some help. But in all seriousness, I know it's hard to do that sometimes. So, you know what? The only piece of advice that I could willingly give you at this time of the day is, you hear that guy called Z21 Official?
Oh
yeah,
my
just
gosh.
give him a message.
Yeah.
Give him a message. He'll help you out. Or the bro Tara. Yeah, give the
Who's
bro a
that?
message. Gee, who's that?
Who's that?
Who's that?
those
I
two?
don't care. I don't care.
Okay.
Nah. 1, 2. No. Unpredictable.
How did you, going back to the music thing, how did you start with music? Like, what inspired you to start?
At this point, I should shout out my piano teacher, Wendy.
Yeah,
Yes, yes. At the age of 5, I don't know how this happened because I can't remember. Short-term memory loss. Just keep swimming, just keep swimming. She came to my primary school and she started teaching me piano, and then she adopted me as a music son. And then fast forward about 20 million decades later. Sup guys, I'm Z21 Official.
20 million decades, whoa.
Shout out to Dr. Wendy Richards.
Dr. Wendy Richards, shout out.
That woman. I was gonna say that man.
The man. Okay, Zayden, what advice do you have for able-bodied people who are meeting someone with a superpower or interacting with someone with a superpower?
Depending on the special capabilities of my superhero that we are meeting, I think that my advice to the able-bodied people's specimen, species, would be if you are meeting someone with a vision impairment, can you not come up to me and grab me?
Yeah.
Like I'll treat you like it's WWE and I'll KO you. Like, I'm sorry,
Nah,
but that's
fair
just
enough.
my natural instinct.
Yeah, fair enough.
Number 2, if you're meeting, someone who is a bit more left on the speech side, right? Just put that effort in and just wait, man. Just try and understand, guys, because the world would be a better place if you were. No, I can't say that. The world would be a better place if you could just get along with us.
Yeah.
Or else we might use our superpowers against you. My name is Francis. Oh.
Do you have any last messages or any last shout outs that you want to give?
Shout out to Deilani and shout out to the Bright Razor. Yeah, that's about it.
Nice.
And thank you for chucking me on the potty.
You're welcome. Thank you for willing to come and help.
Sorry. Since he's probably gonna watch this, shout out to the taxi driver that called me fufu when I jumped out the car. Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Okay, guys. Thank you for listening/watching this episode with the ironic Z21 official.
KFC killer.
And we'll see you next.
I went
on the
to.
next episode. Yeah.